5 must-know trends for online business ideas. With online retail sales growing at about 25% per year, it's no surprise that more and more businesses are focusing in on their audience of online shoppers. But to deliver the best experience to those tech-savvy shoppers, there are quite a few trends to be aware of, and to implement, too. I reached out on social media, namely Twitter, Facebook, and Slack groups, to find the most important online business trends e-commerce experts are seeing right now. Here's what they had to say. 1. Voice commerce. With the rise of voice commerce tools like Alexa and Siri, it's no surprise that large online retailers, like Google, Apple, and Amazon, are focusing in on this trend. As a result, small to mid-sized businesses will need to think about how they can tap into this shift in preferences, too. Voice commerce is up and coming this year, says Tracy Wallace, editor at Big Commerce. It won't likely hit full speed, but expect that by this time, voice commerce will be more popular than ever. 2. The necessity for original products. Some experts, like Andrew Youderian of ecommercefuel.com, believe we're in the midst of a hollowing out of e-commerce companies, where vendors reselling products will disappear within the next 5 years or so. As a result, proprietary, original products will become more important than ever. The biggest trend I'm seeing is that, in a post-Amazon world, it's absolutely crucial that companies have their own proprietary brand, product, or highly specialized offering that can differentiate them from Amazon, Youderian says. If they don't, they likely won't last much longer. 3. Mobile commerce. Today, people use their smartphones for everything, even shopping. That's why online retailers have to start thinking about how to improve mobile commerce experiences. Mobile commerce is what merchants should care about right now, says Chanel Mullin, an e-commerce writer. It's the year we start to see people going beyond the responsive design band-aid and actually thinking about mobile user experience. 4. Personalization. One-size-fits-all messaging is no longer effective for modern customers. Instead, they want relevant, personalized messages from online retailers that feel tailor-made. Agile e-commerce businesses should strive to get a better understanding of their customers, then deliver personalized experiences to each customer based on their past off-site and on-site interactions, says Colonel Campbell of TutorialZ.com. 5. User-generated content. Testimonials, reviews, and photos are all types of user-generated content that can help drive sales. Featuring these assets in the online sales environment is a must, according to e-commerce writer Shayla Price. Retailers must take advantage of user-generated content, UGC, to boost purchase confidence. Whether it's a product review or a brand-sponsored campaign, there's value in giving consumers the opportunity to talk about your products, she says. Right now, consumers trust their peers. It's up to retailers to build a bridge from UGC to product sales.